I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.
Original panzerotti with some marinara sauce. And Lee is with me, but you're not gonna really see him on the camera today because we don't really have a lot of space, and the camera is strange because we're not home. Is it ketchup on that side or no? It is giving us some kind of, what is this stuff? So the fries have some kind of seasoning on it. It kind of tastes like a Old Bay seasoning or something like that. So I hope everybody's doing fine. Got me a little ketchup. There's Lee there. Popped in real quick. So, yeah guys, I'm out. I have to get glasses. I'm trying to get it to you guys to see the food. But it's hard. So you'll just be really seeing me eat it. Again, I'm going to show you the panzerotti when it's lifted up. This is original panzerotti. This is how it looks. Look at that cheese. So in case you don't know, I'm going to tell you a little history about the panzerotti. The original panzerotti was created in a pizza shop in Camden, New Jersey. I can't remember the full name, but I'll get it and put it in the video. But the original panzerotti, somebody did this. Basically like a cheese-filled pocket of dough. But it's so, as you can see, so good. And it's deep fried. It's a goodness, believe me. I don't have too much to talk about today, though.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, this is like extremely hot, so just be very careful.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Enjoy, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna show you a piece of pizza. Now we were like pizza connoisseurs. And that's already not looking like, it's looking like it's gonna be like carnival pizza or something. You know how you go to the carnival and they get that pizza? Like, it's not bad pizza when it's hot, but it's definitely not pizzeria pizza. Then you burnt yourself with the pizza. You gotta be careful.
Through my jeans.
You might want to go ahead and leave that.
I already burnt my mouth this morning with coffee. Tore my mouth up.
That's crazy. I hate when I burn my tongue.
I feel like it'd be burnt forever.
So far, everything is pretty good. I could do without the seasoning on the fries now. Although I love a cheese fry with cheese whiz, I really love it. Then when you mix it with mozzarella cheese, look at all this cheese, guys. Ooh.
I could have had one slice. I ain't even slicing it that wide.
This pan's about to devour. Devour. You see all this gooey cheese is all over the place. Don't you hate these little napkins? I hate them. So tiny. So basically, again, guys, the panzerotti is just basically pizza dough fried, deep fried, with a filling. And somebody was like, oh, it's like a pizza turnover. No. Similar, but not. And it doesn't taste like it. It's like a special type of dough. That's the one thing about Jersey. There's a lot of good food places here.
If it's like over $50, I'm sure my boss will be like,
But this, you definitely need a soda. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more cheese because I'm done. Last bite. Last bite, guys. Last bite. Excuse me, I had marinara sauce, did not use it. Did not need it. I'm gonna say bye, guys. I just want to do a quick video. So I can have some lunch while I wait before I get my glasses. Guys, I ain't been to get new glasses in 8 years. That's crazy, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. 8 years. 8 years. Until next time, guys, I'm gonna go. Queen out. Peace.
Wake up,
I got the itis.
go to sleep, sleeping booty. I had some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.